Hi everyone, welcome to Advanced Learning Academy. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on Waec Practical 2025, question number 1, which is volumetry analysis. Now I'm going to solve a question on volumetry analysis, which is going to be related to chemistry practical by 2025. Now in this practical, we are given ACL, and sodium, hydrogen, carbon 4. We have to calculate ACL and ACL, sodium, hydrogen, carbon 4. Now I'm going to solve a question on volumetric analysis. And the question goes thus: A is 0.09 mole per dm ACL. Prepared by diluting 10 cm cube of a standardized solution of sodium hydrogen carbon 4 at 25 degrees C to 1000 centimeter cube with distilled water. Now in this question we are given the concentration of ACL, which is our CA, we are doing the CA 0.095 mole per dm cube. Now A, put A into the burette and titrate it against 20 centimeter cube or 25 centimeter cube portion of B using methyl orate aceticator. Repeat the titration to obtain consistent titer. Tabulate your burette readings and calculate the average volume of A used. Now look at this. We are titrating acid against base in order to get the average volume of acid used. That's our A. Now look at this table here. We have the volume of what? The volume of the pipette used. In the question, it was stated that we can use 20 centimeter cube or 25 centimeter cube as the volume of pipette used. But here, we are using 25.0 centimeter cube. So our VB is 25 centimeter cube. Now, let's get the volume of acid, the average volume of acid used from this table now. We are going to use this table now to get the average volume of acid used. So average volume of A used, average volume of A used in centimeter cube is equal to first titer plus second titer plus third titer over 3. Now I'm going to divide it by 3 because when you look at my titration table, first, second, and third titer, they are concordants. So I'm using a concordant theta value now. That is why I'm adding the 3 together and I'm dividing by 3. Now VA is equal to, that is average volume of acid used. Please write it. Is equal to, the number 1 there is 23.50 plus 23.70 plus 23.60 over 3. Now VA is equal, that is the volume of acid or A used, is addition of the 3 now gives what? 70.80 over 3, if I'm right. Now divide this by this now, we have 23.6 centimeter cube as my average titer value. Now when we look at this, we are using this table to get the average volume of acid used, which is our VA. So here now our VA is what? Is 23.60 centimeter cube. Then from the equation we have NaHCO3 plus HCl to give NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. This is liquid. This is aqueous. This is aqueous. This is aqueous. Now, the mole ratio between the acid and the base is 1:1, as you can see. 1:1. So our Na is 1, then Nb is 1. This is the mole ratio of acid is 1. The mole ratio of base is 1. So now let's continue the equation. Now the equation of the reaction involved in the reaction is this. Now B, from your result and the information provided above, calculate 1. That's calculate 1. Concentration of what? Of B in mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cube. Now, how do you calculate the concentration of B in mole per dm cube? Is by using formula. Now, using that is you have to find CB. CB is unknown. Now, using the formula now. Using the formula, that's number 1 now. Concentration right here. Concentration of what? Of B in mole per dm cube. In mole per dm cube. That is CB is unknown. Now, using the formula, CA VA over CB PB equals to NA over NB. Or I use capital letter. Right? I use capital letter. Now here, you have to be careful. Do not cross multiply. If you cross multiply like this, there is no mark. If you cross multiply here like this, there's no mark. There's no mark. Meaning that you have crossed the formula. If you want to cross multiply, if any of these lines crosses here, either this side or this side, it is 0. Do you understand this, students? Do I make myself clear? Now, careful. Now, here, before there's no mark here. Let me tell you, there's no mark. If you write the formula, there's no mark. Meaning, CA over CB PB is equal to the numbers of mole ratio, that is 1 over 1, and this is 1 mark. Do you understand this one, students? This is 1 mark.